Did you know that 1 in 5 adults experience mental illness each year? That's more than 46 million people worldwide.
What did you
It's
say?
a sobering statistic, isn't it? What it underscores is the pressing need to address mental health issues. We live in a world that often emphasizes physical health, but mental well-being is equally crucial. Now let's talk about self-care. It's not just about spa days or treating yourself to your favorite dessert, though those things can be part of it. Self-care is about nurturing your mind and soul. It's about taking steps to ensure your mental well-being. With the right self-care practices, it's possible to improve mental well-being. Let's explore some of these practices. First on the list is mindfulness meditation, a practice that can help to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Mindfulness meditation is about focusing your mind on the present moment, without judgment or distraction. By tuning into your breath or sensations in your body, you cultivate a sense of calm and awareness. This can enhance your emotional resilience, improve focus, and even reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Just a few minutes of mindfulness meditation each day can make a significant difference to your mental health. Physical exercise isn't just about keeping your body healthy, it's also a powerful tool for maintaining mental well-being. Engaging in physical activity releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. Whether it's a brisk walk around the block, a calming yoga session, or a vigorous strength training routine, these exercises can boost your mood and energy levels. And the beauty of it? You don't need to be an Olympian to reap the benefits. Remember, every step counts when it comes to boosting your mental health. Putting pen to paper can be therapeutic. That's where journaling comes in. This simple act is a powerful tool in managing mental health. It helps you understand your emotions, declutter your thoughts, and even discover your hidden patterns. To start, you don't need anything fancy, just a notebook and a pen. Try prompts like, "Today I am grateful for," or "My current mood is." Remember, there's no right or wrong here. Journaling is a simple yet effective way to process emotions and thoughts. Creativity is not just for artists. It's a form of self-expression that can help to boost mental health. Engaging in creative activities, whether it's painting a canvas, strumming a guitar, or crafting a poem, can be incredibly therapeutic. These acts of creation can help us to process emotions, reduce stress, and even improve self-esteem. Plus, they can be a lot of fun. So why not try it out? You might just find your next passion. So go ahead, pick up that paintbrush or guitar, and let your creativity flow. The ability to say no is crucial for mental health. It's all about setting boundaries. Picture this, your life as a garden and boundaries as the fence protecting it. Without a sturdy fence, anything and anyone can trample your flowers. As uncomfortable as it might be, learning to assertively communicate your needs is vital. It's okay to take a step back, to decline requests that drain you, to prioritize your well-being. Remember, setting boundaries is a form of self-care. In a world dominated by screens, a digital detox can do wonders for your mental health. The constant barrage of information and the perpetual need to stay connected can lead to stress, anxiety, and even sleep disorders. A digital detox, which is a period of time during which a person refrains from using electronic devices, can be a breath of fresh air. Strategies could include setting device-free zones in your home, scheduling tech-free activities, or limiting social media usage. Take a break from screens and see the difference it makes. Mother Nature has a natural healing power that can help to improve mental health. Spending time outdoors, whether it's hiking, gardening, or simply sitting under a tree, can have a profound impact on our well-being. It's about grounding ourselves in the present moment, soaking in the sights, the sounds, and the smells of our environment. This practice, known as nature therapy, creates calming sensations that promote overall well-being. So step outside and let nature work its magic. Being kind to oneself is a key aspect of mental health. Self-compassion is the way to go. It's about understanding your emotional state and responding to your own mistakes or failures with kindness and forgiveness. It's the practice of silencing that inner critic and replacing it with a voice of support and understanding. Try writing a compassionate letter to yourself whenever you're feeling low or overwhelmed. It's a powerful exercise that fosters resilience and self-acceptance. Remember, self-compassion is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Humans are social beings. Nurturing meaningful connections can significantly improve mental health. The support and understanding from our loved ones can act as a safety net, catching us when we fall. It's not just about having people around us, but about having quality connections that are rooted in empathy and mutual respect. This can be achieved in various ways, like reaching out to friends and family, joining community groups, or volunteering. These interactions can offer a sense of belonging and reinforce our sense of self-worth. So reach out, connect, and see the difference it makes. In the hustle and bustle of life, don't forget to rest and relax. It's crucial for mental health. Rest and relaxation are not just about catching up on sleep. They're about calming the mind, soothing the body, and rejuvenating the spirit. Techniques like deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and guided imagery can help. They melt away stress, promote tranquility, and pave the way for better mental well-being. Remember, taking time to relax is not being lazy. It's taking care of your mental health. And there you have it. 10 self-care practices tailored to improve your mental health and well-being. From mindfulness meditation to creative outlets, setting boundaries to digital detox, each practice offers a unique path to nurturing your mind and soul. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. By prioritizing your mental health, you're better equipped to navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace. Share your thoughts. Tell us in the comments below, what are your favorite self-care practices? We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe, like, and share for more content that empowers you to prioritize your mental well-being. Thank you for being a part of our journey.